Alright guys, this is one of 30 videos I'm doing this for the next 30 days. After the 30 videos, which I've done one every single day, I'll do a final one, which will be day 1 to 30, and everything that came before this. All the failed attempts, all the evidence, everything you'll see. It's just important to get this done now, and then next, cigarettes. I'm going to quit smoking, because I choose to. I've enjoyed my money on this enough. So I choose to and decide to spend it on other things, and there's other reasons, but that's after we've done this 30 days. So it's 30 days of no alcohol, no drinking, no beer or anything. I already am like 2 or 3 days since my last beer, so yeah, it's not really day 1, otherwise I would have to have crazy yesterday, but it's day 1 of this conscious decision, and just day 2 or 3 after like my last beer. So yeah, it's just no alcohol for the next 30 days. You guys are welcome to follow me. So yeah, it's the first thing, just to give you a breakdown. That is the collection from say a month and a half. Yeah, it's 500 more bottles, beer bottles, and it's just my decision. So in the future, on very rare occasions, blue moon occasions, 1 in a million in the future, when I decide to, there's options, but in my mind right now I'm quitting, I'm stopping, definitely. 30 days is how you break a habit generally, is what they say, so I'm going with a 30-day with you guys, just to break a habit. Successfully break the habit, and then after that it'll be cigarettes, and you guys can do it with me. And what's the other thing I was going to say? And yeah, most probably, like, I'm not going to bother with anything for like the next year, 2 years, 3 years maximum. There's only one time, one very specific time, I'm not going to get into that right now, when I'm very down, and I've been down for 3 days and I can hardly get out of bed, and sometimes I even have to force myself to go get one. But the point is, you can't be in that position. You can't get out of that position and do this. So I've gotten out of that position, and now I'm doing this. So yeah, 30 days no alcohol. You guys can join me. I'm posting today, I'll post tomorrow, and I'll post up until the end. It's the 21st of January 2026. It's Wednesday. It's about 7 o'clock at night. So yeah, I'll post again tomorrow. Post. You guys are more than welcome to join me. Yeah, just get rid of the drinking. If you go to my YouTube trailer, you'll see the ethos, and it pertains to saving money, getting healthy, yeah, and a whole bunch of other things. Alright, that's cool guys, thank you for watching this, I appreciate it. I'm very new at this, I have no idea what I'm doing, so please bear with me. Like I said, I'm going against all the metrics, but yeah, I really appreciate it, all your time. Keep well, stay safe. If you're following this for this reason, stay alcohol free, and I'll chat to you tomorrow.